Power Juices Detox Drinks. Detoxifying is one of the most powerful treat you could give your body. With today's environment and lifestyles, constant exposure and intake of pollutants and toxins coming from the air, water, and food we eat can undermine our health, whether immediately or eventually. It explains why most, if not all, people who are regularly on a high-fat, low-fiber diet feel less active, fatigued, obese, and develop degenerative diseases sooner within their lifetime. Submitting yourself to a detox program is not only healthy, it is rewarding for your system by giving it a break from waste substances it doesn't need in the first place. Going on a detox diet means skipping the usual junk foods that provide you nothing more than harmful fats and substances. If you are apt to undergo a detox diet program, always complement it with detox drinks that are capable of flushing out toxins and free radicals. Detox drinks made from fresh fruits and vegetables can give you a rejuvenated feeling as well as improved skin health. For a good start, drink fresh lemon juice made of 1 glass of warm water and 1/2 lemon after waking up in the morning. It stimulates your gastric juices and jumpstarts your body. Take as much fluid and water, 8 glasses or more a day, for the entire duration of your detox program, and even when it's over. Then you can try any of these detox drinks: vegetable juice combo, carrot apple juice, carrot vegetable juice, and peach juice. To make a vegetable juice combo, prepare 2 Swiss chard leaves, 1/2 beetroot, 2 or 3 sprigs of watercress, 3 carrots, and 1 celery stalk. Make sure you wash the vegetables using distilled water, cut and them in a juicer. It should suffice for a whole day's supply of detox drinks. Prepare 2 to 3 green apples, 1 carrot, and fresh basil leaves for your carrot apple juice. Wash all fruits with distilled water, cut and place in a juicer or blender. Sugar abstinence is advised when in a detox program, as well as dairy or any animal products. For your alternative detox drinks, do the carrot vegetable juice by having a handful of dandelion leaves, 1 kale leaf, for carrots, fresh mint, basil or coriander leaves. Then do the above procedures. You can do the same for peach juice using 2 to 3 peaches. You are encouraged to experiment on your combination of ingredients for your detox drinks as long as they are fresh, organic and natural. Having a variety of fruits and vegetables helps you meet your required nutritional intake.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.